In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shape in CapCut PC. If you need to highlight a specific part of your screen, emphasize details in a tutorial, or place a clean geometric background behind text, CapCut makes this very easy. The good news is that you do not need to create anything in another design program first, because CapCut on PC already includes a built-in library of vector shapes that you can use right away. To begin, move your mouse to the top left area of the interface and click on the Stickers tab. This is where CapCut stores a variety of graphic elements you can layer on top of your video. Once the Stickers library opens, look to the category panel on the left-hand side. Scroll down through that sidebar until you find the section labeled Shapes, then click it. This will open the shape collection so you can view the available options. Now it's time to bring a shape into your project. Browse through the grid and choose the one that best fits what you're trying to do. For example, you might want a solid rectangle for a background block, or an outline shape if you just want to frame something on screen. When you find the shape you want, click the blue plus icon in its corner. As soon as you do that, CapCut adds the shape to your timeline as a sticker layer. You'll see it appear as a yellow asset block on a track above your main video, which makes sense because it's acting as an overlay. Once the shape is on the timeline, you can adjust how it looks. Click the yellow shape block to select it. Then move to the top right Properties panel, make sure you're under the Stickers section, and open the Basic Settings area. Here, use the Scale slider to make the shape larger or smaller while keeping its proportions consistent. This is helpful when you want the shape to sit neatly behind text or precisely cover a specific area of the screen. After that, go to the Preview window in the center of the interface. Click directly on the shape and drag it into position over the part of the video you want to highlight. Take a second to line it up carefully so it looks intentional and clean on screen, and that's it. You've opened the sticker library, selected the Shapes category, added a shape to the timeline, and adjusted its size and placement from the Properties panel and Preview window. With just a few quick moves, your shape overlay is ready to use in CapCut PC.